Hi, my name's Daniel Meeajane. I'm the Business Development Director at Clearway Fire and Security. Yeah, absolutely. It can be stored locally on a network video recorder, or previously a lot of digital video recorders were used. The internet really would be used if you wanted to view footage remotely. So it enables push notifications, remote viewing, cloud storage. So no Wi-Fi network doesn't necessarily mean no internet, it just means no wireless network is in place. So you can use an alternative such as 3G, 4G or even 5G, which is the norm, to view footage and connect the CCTV system. Well, true remote viewing requires like internet, but really and truly you can view footage offline locally just by downloading the footage onto a USB or watching from the monitor that's already on site. Well, modern CCTV, particularly deployable CCTV systems, run on battery packs, and solar power and sending data through mobile networks is fairly common as well, particularly with sites that are more remote locations. Yeah, so this is more camera to cloud based systems, so it does heavily rely on the internet and making sure that there's a secure network in place on site. So you wouldn't necessarily need a network video recorder on site because all of the footage is stored onto the cloud. Well, they offer wireless placement, solar. They could be connected 24/7 to our monitoring station, wide dynamic range and wide angle footage and bits like that. So all the features that a standard CCTV system would offer, you could get this with a wireless system. Offline systems could be deployed anywhere, so you don't have to worry about any form of infrastructure. Yeah, so remote, vacant or off-grid sites still face huge risks of vandalism. Also, when you're looking at motorways, having a CCTV system in place along the motorways for whether it be speed or if a car's pulled over on the side. So regardless of whether a site has internet or not, that shouldn't be a reason for you to have a CCTV system in place or not. Yeah, so with AI cameras, there are features that can run locally, like facial recognition and number plate detection.